How to upload photos to Canva mobile app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily upload photo to Canva mobile application. So first head over to your Canva application and make sure you are logged into your account, and let me just select a untitled design which I have already created from the custom size. By clicking on this custom size you can also create that. So since I've already created, I will just open my recent design. So as you can see, I've opened my recent design, which is a 400 by 400 pixel of height and width. So let me just add a photo over here. So to add a photo, you just have to scroll down and find this upload button over here and just click on this upload file, or you can also record yourself. So the choice is yours. So you can just select any Google Photos or from device. So I'll just select my device and I'll just include any random photos over here. So let's say I want to upload this photo, and I'll just click on it and wait for some time, and again tap on the photo, and just like that you have successfully imported or uploaded photo to your Canva mobile app. Now you can design freely over here. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.